When working on complex project model drawings, the ability to maintain focus on a specific task is key to developing and maintaining an effective and efficient workflow. With enhancements to the SSI 2024 R1.1 release of ShipConstructor, updating of model and system drawings is now handled in the background, allowing users to do just that, focus on the modeling tasks at hand, while still being able to view active processes via the background process monitor. Selected model and system drawings will be completely recreated from the database via multiprocessing, ensuring the drawings being worked on are the most up-to-date versions, giving modelers and managers the ability to know about recent modifications to the product model and more effectively manage change. With the SCUPDATE model and system drawings command now running in the background, a streamlined modeling experience makes ShipConstructor users' lives easier than ever. In addition, running this feature creates a smart log, enabling the designer to quickly view the changes and navigate to the drawings in question, saving time and removing any need to search through long lists to confirm where updates have in fact taken place. Find out about this and all other features now available with the most recent release of ShipConstructor at SSI Nexus today.